Okay, guys, so this is something new that we started in an easier way, but I'm going to explain the thinking blocks on the multiplication section. So once you click that, I'm going to make sure that you see. You're going to obviously follow instructions.
Let's get started.
You're going to start in the first part, and then you're going to go and follow each step. So this is all multiplication, okay? So you have to really learn how to read this. You can click on the speaker and you can listen, but the first thing that I want you to do is remember the steps. And the first one is reading the complete problem, and then you're going to reread it again and stop in the period. Mr. Brown had a piece of wire that measured 42 feet. So she has like a cable, a wire, un cable, un alambre. He cut it into 6 equal pieces. How long was each piece? So you have to think about, okay, what's the question? How long was each piece? So they're telling us that Mr. Brown had a piece of wire that measured 42 feet. So we already know the total, right? So I'm going to label the total and I'm going to put it here. They're telling us it is 42. So I'm just going to make all this rectangle, pretend that it's one big rectangle, okay? And the question is, okay, if I cut it into 6 equal pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I now will be able to know the length of 1. So I'm gonna click. Wonderful. Now again, now they make you put the number, so we know this is the total, and when we have the total and we need to know this part, that's where the question mark goes. Got it? So now is when we do the calculations. So we need to know, okay, how many times 6 go into 42? So how many times? So here, if you read the instruction, now you're ready to find the missing number. Use the number pad, enter your answer, then tap and check the mark. So if I have, let's say, this piece is 10, 20, 30, 40. Well, clearly it's not 10. Let's do 5. 5 plus 5 more it would be 10. Plus 5 more it would be 15, 20, 25, 30. That's not. So what number times 6 equal parts? 42. So what number times 6 is 42? Think about it. I'm going to give you some time. So you thought about it and you would be like, okay, I know that these are the 6 equal parts that I cut this wire, and there was a total of 42. 6 times what number is 42? And that would be 7. So if I have 7 times 6, or 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, that would be 42. That's what I'm expecting you to do. Okay? So make sure that you are thinking about it and you can work with a partner, and this is going to help you figure out problems with multiplication, division, and addition and subtraction. That's what we're doing lately.